नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम.
इयत्ता 6वी गणित मॅथ्स. आजचा आपला घटक आहे शेकडेवारी पर्सेंटेज.
Dear friends, in the last video, we have learned that a percentage is a comparison or a ratio which represents a fraction of 100. A part or fraction of a whole expressed in hundreds is nothing but percentage. We also learn how to write percentage in the form of fraction. Now today we will learn how a fraction can be written in the form of a percentage.
नेक्स्ट, अपूर्णांकांचे शेकडेवारीत रूपांतर. टू राईट अ फ्रॅक्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ पर्सेंट. तर अपूर्णांकाचं शेकडेवारीत रूपांतर करण्यासाठी आता शेकडेवारी पर्सेंटेज म्हणजेच काय? द कंपॅरिझन मेड विथ 100. तर अपूर्णांकाचं शेकडेवारीत रूपांतर करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? तर 100 छेद येईल असा सममूल्य अपूर्णांक शोधावा लागेल. फाइंड इक्विव्हॅलंट फ्रॅक्शन टू मेक द डिनॉमिनेटर 100. So how to do this? For example, there is a fraction 3/5. Now in this fraction, in the denominator, 5 is there, right? So we want to make this denominator 5 as 100. So we want to find the equivalent fraction of 3/5. Now to convert this 5 into 100, what we have to do? Multiply it by 20, right? So 5 20 is 100. So whatever operation we are doing in the denominator, same operation we have to perform on the numerator also. आपण छेदावर जी क्रिया केली तीच क्रिया आपल्याला अंशावर करणं आवश्यक आहे, कारण आपल्याला त्या अपूर्णांकाची किंमत बदलता कामा नये. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस फ्रॅक्शन that is 3/5, it should not be changed. Therefore we want to do same operation in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So here in this case we are doing denominator as 100. For making this denominator 100, we have to multiply it by 20. Therefore we have to multiply in the numerator also by 20, right? So multiplying by 20 both in the denominator and numerator, we will get 23 is 60 and 25 is 100. So 60 upon 100. Now denominator is 100 over here. Now we can write it in the form of percentage, that is 60%. Comparison with 100. Now converting 3/4 in the form of percentage. First of all, what we have to do? Multiply 4 by 25, because in the denominator number 4 is there. We want to make it as 100. छेदस्थानी असलेली संख्या आपल्याला 100 मध्ये रूपांतरित करायची आहे. सममूल्य अपूर्णांक शोधायचा आहे आणि म्हणून आपल्याला काय करावं लागलं? 4 ला 25 ने गुणावं लागेल 100 करण्यासाठी. जी क्रिया आपण छेदात केली आहे तीच क्रिया आपल्याला अंशात करावी लागेल. मल्टिप्लाय टॉप अँड बॉटम both by 25. Therefore multiplying numerator by 25 and denominator by 25, we will get 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. Now 75 upon 100 means write it in the form of percentage, that is 75%. Next example, 7/5. In the denominator 5 is there, right? So multiply 5 by 20 to become 100. छेदस्थानच्या संख्येला आपल्याला 100 मध्ये रूपांतरित करण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल? 20 ने गुणावं लागेल, राइट? Therefore multiplying both top and bottom by 20. So into 20 and denominator also into 20. 27 are 140, 25 are 100. Therefore we will get the fraction as 140 upon 100. Now this is a fraction with, that is comparison made with 100 parts. Therefore we can write it in the form of percentage, that is 140%. 3 upon 20. So multiply both 20 to make 100 by 5, right? So 20 into 5 and 3 into 5. So the answer will be 15 upon 100 and this will be 15%. So 3 by 20, this fraction we can write it in the form of percentage as 15%. Now dear friends, see here 15%, right? So 15%, that is 15 upon 100. आपण सुरुवातीलाच बघितलं पर्सेंटेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रॅक्शन. फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? आता एकक स्थानी इथे 5, इथे 0 आहेत, म्हणजे आपण 5 ने भागाकार भागलं तर 5 3 जा 15 and 5 2 जा 10, 20. Getting 3 upon 20? So in this way we can convert the common fraction into percentage. 34 upon 50. Now in the denominator 50 is there, we want to convert it into 100. Therefore we have to multiply by 2. So in the numerator also multiplying by 2 and the denominator also by 2. So 34 2s are, that is 68 upon 100, which will be equal to 68%.
Dear friends, we learn how the percentage can be written in the form of a fraction, and similarly how a fraction can be written in the form of a percentage. How to solve the word problems about this percentage? For this, watch our next video. Thank you.